Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fall is here, so the leaves are falling, which brings up a really good question. Should you mulch your leaves or should you bag them up? They both have pros and cons, so let's get into it. Let's start with the traditional route, bagging leaves. This is what most of us grew up doing. Rake them up, stuff them in bags, and drag them to the curb. Simple idea, but it comes with pros and cons. When it comes to pros, first, your lawn looks spotless. Bagging gives you that clean, picture-perfect lawn right away. No leaf bits left behind. Number two, there's no risk of smothering the grass. With all the leaves gone, you don't have to worry about blocking sunlight or trapping moisture that can cause snow mold. And number three, it gets rid of diseased leaves. If your trees dropped leaves with fungus or pests, bagging removes those problems completely. Now let's move on to the cons. Number one, it's a workout. Bagging means raking, stuffing, hauling. You could be filling 10, 20, or even 30 bags if you've got a big yard. Number two, you lose free nutrients. Leaves are loaded with nitrogen and minerals. When you bag them, you're basically throwing away free fertilizer. And number three, waste and cost. All those bags often end up in landfills and you may have to pay for yard bags or pickup. It's more hassle and expense. Now let's talk about the other option, mulching your leaves. Instead of removing the leaves, you chop them up with your mower and let them break down right on the lawn. It's becoming more popular for good reason. So let's get into the pros. Number one, it's way less work. Instead of raking, you just mow right over the leaves. Done. Way easier on your back. Number two, it feeds your lawn for free. As those chopped leaves break down, they release nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, basically free fertilizer. And number three, it helps the soil and blocks weeds. Mulched leaves turn into organic matter that improves soil. Plus, they cover bare spots, which helps keep weeds like dandelions from popping up in the spring. Now let's go over the cons. Number one, too many leaves at once can smother your lawn. If the lawn's completely buried in leaves, mulching won't cut it. You'll end up with clumps that choke the grass. Number two, you might need more than one mow. Sometimes you'll have to go over the lawn twice to chop the leaves fine enough to break down quickly. And number three, it's not perfectly clean looking at first. You might see a layer of leaf confetti on the grass until rain and time settle in. Some folks don't love that look, so it's completely up to you. Now it's important to note that research from Purdue and Michigan State show that mulching doesn't hurt your lawn even with heavy amounts of leaves. In fact, they found mulching can reduce weeds and give you a healthier soil. So for most cool season lawns, mulching seems to be the way to go from the experts. So here's my advice. Mulch whenever you can, bag only when you have way too many leaves or if they're diseased. That way you get the benefits without the drawbacks. All right guys, so drop a comment below. Do you like mulching your leaves or do you like bagging them up? If you like this video, please make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be alerted when we put out more helpful content like this. And since it's fall, if you want to learn how to do a fall overseed, then make sure you watch this video where we go over from start to finish how to do the whole process. So click this video and we'll see you over there.